That is not painted which can remain gray. And with Rob the miniature painter, even these minis will be slayed.
Hey, I'm Rob the Miniature Painter, and I'm back with another Cthulhu Death May Die's Fear of the Unknown miniature. These are Azathoth's Dancers. They were zenithal primed the same way with the white acrylic ink from FW. Yeah, so they were given that, but I think I didn't shake it well enough, so it came out a little bit more blotchy. Here's the paint you're going to need for these nice little dancers, and we're starting off with some speed paint. And again, I want to go really fast with these, so I put them in my airbrush and slapped on some Hive Dweller purple on the bottom half. Even if I hit some of the other areas of the top half, it didn't make a licking difference because it still looks really cool in the end. And these guys are pretty simple to paint. I'm trying to get them to the table as quickly as possible, and that's the point, is to slay the gray as quickly as possible, but one miniature at a time. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell so you know when I put up new videos and you do not miss any of them. The next color we're using is algae green. We're going from the top part here of the these alien weird looking plants that have a saxophone in their hands, or a trumpet of some sort. These guys really should have been part of the Mos Eisley Cantina band, especially when there's 4 of them and they're all playing the same way. It looks just amazing. Fanatic paints now. We're going to be coming in here with some dry brushing of Violet Coven. We're going to put that down on the bottom parts. If I hit some of the green, it's not a big deal. It's going to blend in really well. It's doing a good job. You know what? When you're speed painting and you want to highlight quick, dry brushing, super fast, super fun to do. Necrotic Flesh was the last one. Now I mixed in some gloss varnish into some alien purple to give the eyes a shine without having to put the gloss varnish on top of it. It actually made the purple shine just a little bit, not too much, just to give them a nice little glare. And to do their trumpets, we're using a little bit of greedy gold here. Very simple, very easy to cover up that black or zenithal here. It was a little watered down, so I did have to put a second layer on. But hey, there you have it, folks. In really no time, you can have the Azathoth's Dancers ready for the table. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next one.